going on, guys? Sorry for the noise. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. Heading over to Joe in Iowa and drop the car off. This will be the last time you see it like this. It is super cold out here. It's 20 degrees on the dot. But getting ready to drop the car off in Iowa to Joe. So let's go for a ride. We'll see Joe here in a few hours. Oh man, 5:43 in the morning. Still have about 3 hours and 45 minutes left on this drive. So we're gonna keep on trucking. Well, and I'm by myself, so I'm gonna keep on trucking and just keep driving until I pretty much either get there or get tired enough to where I gotta pull over and take a quick little power nap. So almost there, getting excited. See you soon. Finally made it to Iowa. First time out here. Here, I don't know if you can probably see me better. Over here. Here we go. Alright, so yeah. Finally made it out here to Iowa. This is crazy. Like there's nothing out here. Let's look, you can see. There's a lot of open land. I'm going up a hill now, but I'm sure there's open land there. And you look to the left, there's open land there. So, lots of land. Lots of land. But getting a lot of interesting looks with the Malibu on the trailer. Doesn't seem like a place that gets a lot of cars with gold wheels out here. Sorry if it's noisy. It's a dirt road that I'm on. Joe is like out in the sticks. So yeah. But yeah, it's been weird getting a lot of interesting looks and head shakes by the people going past me and at gas stations out here. It's definitely not the standard vehicle out here for transportation. So very interesting though. I'm really glad that I made it. It is about 40 more minutes till we get to Joe, and looks like we got a turn here on another dirt road. This is pretty interesting. Almost at Joe's shop. I'm like 5 minutes away, and this will be my first time meeting Joe. This will be the first time Joe sees the Malibu, and kind of get an idea of what we got going on here. So when we fire back up here, we will be making, oh, I think I see Joe's shop here actually. Yeah, I see it. Joe's shop is right there.
Turn right onto West
So here we go, and cross these lanes here. And looks like we can go in over here.
In 600 feet, your destination will be on the left.
Alright. Used car dealer here. Some nice little rides. So, the Malibu was super clean when I left, but there's a lot of dirt roads out here. Like a lot of dirt roads. And unfortunately now the car looks pretty dirty. So, so that's not good. But I'm gonna find a spot to park here, and we will look for Joe.
You got spark plug for this? Yeah, on the car. Yep. here, come here.
All right, guys, so the car is finally here. Obviously looks a lot different from when I left, but a couple dirt roads and it's dusty, but it's okay. It's in good hands now. Here's Joe.
Mel finally pulled up.
Yes, sir.
Here she is.
Yes, sir.
It's cool to see it in person.
79 Chevy Malibu. Got this from Cleveland, Ohio, from a buddy of mine, Ian. Found it on Craigslist, and best part about it, I was sold when I saw this. 2 OG Reds hydraulics pumps and dumps. Still working, still kicking.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
So I reached out to Joe, told him what I wanted to do, and if you've been following his channel, you see the frame he's been working on, and it's for this car. So so this is going to be the car it's going on. So Joe's going to be working on the car, and super excited. You guys seen his work and his Impala and Lincoln and everything he's got going on. So Joe, thank you, man. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. I appreciate you making the trip out here, man. That is a crazy drive.
Yes.
All the way out here to Hartford, Iowa.
Oh, throughout the night, yes,
Yeah.
no sleep.
Yeah, most people sleep and then you're hauling lowriders.
Right.
Good deal. Yeah, I'm glad you brought it out here. I'm glad to finally have a body for that frame.
Yeah.
Now we can get to cranking on that frame and get that sucker looking good.
Oh yeah, I was kind of trolling your subscribers in the comment section about the G-body.
Yeah,
So-
a couple people figured out it was a Malibu. I think by the bow tie on the A-arm when I first showed the frame.
Right.
Because yeah, and then when I said it's not a Monty, yep. So that's about the only other option.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure they'll be excited to finally see the car too.
Oh yeah. So awesome, man. Well, Joe's gonna work his magic on this. The red hydraulic setup that's in there now, we're gonna hold on to that and put it in another car that's gonna be coming up soon. So stay tuned. Remember, please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you haven't already checked out Joe's page, please check it out. It's RJ Tickler on YouTube. And are you on Instagram too, or Facebook?
No, I haven't got into that yet. I need to figure that out.
Okay.
I'm kind of old school. I just got into Facebook last year. So.
Okay, awesome.
Joe Thompson on Facebook if you want to friend request me.
All right. Oh, and here's a shot of the interior. So there's a 4 switch setup. The previous owner put this cover on the dash there. It's got some cracks in it, but I got something that I'm gonna put in here to replace this whole setup. It's gonna be pretty slick. I got to talk to Joe about that too, because he's gonna probably be interested in putting his special touch on there, and it's gonna look awesome in here. So yeah, 79 Malibu, thing's super clean. The only spots I want to address here is under the top. You got a couple little bubbled up areas, but like nothing major. Car's super solid, so super excited. Next couple weeks is gonna be crazy. I'm gonna try to break the internet with this build and the next one. So that's the magic man right there.
I appreciate it, Mel.
All right, no problem, man. No problem. I saw you on YouTube, and man, I just was really impressed with the time and effort and dedication you had to lowriders. A lot of people aren't putting that kind of effort into it, and the scene's kind of dying off. But
It is. It's sad.
yeah.
It's sad.
So when I saw your
alive.
right.
Yeah.
So when I saw your channel, man, it inspired me, and got to searching, man. I got some other cars, and can't afford to do them all at once, but
I hear you.
I'll be bringing them by one at a time. So awesome. All right, guys. Well, stay tuned. Please, again, subscribe, like, and comment. And you guys are going to be very impressed with this. This is going to be a fun build and an awesome build. I mean, how often do you see the Malibu lowriders, especially in the Midwest?